Do you need to replace your birth certificate now? Don't worry, we'll go over this in today's video. Hey everyone, I'm Desiree with MVD Now. In this video, we will show you the steps you'll need to take in order to obtain a New Mexico or out-of-state birth certificate, where you can obtain them and how to order them online. Let's begin with replacing your New Mexico birth certificate. You have three options. You can submit an application online, apply by mail, or visit your nearest public health office that offers the service. Prices range from $10 up to $44.50 depending on the option that you choose. The New Mexico Department of Health recommends that you mail in your application to Santa Fe or apply online. But if you need an expedited service, you can also apply online through a third-party provider called VitalCheck. We will include a link to the application form, as well as the New Mexico Department of Health and the VitalCheck websites in the description below. We will also include the Santa Fe address where you can mail in your application. If you prefer doing business in person, you can visit your nearest public health office that offers the service. If you live in Albuquerque, this office is located at 2400 Wellesley Drive Northeast. It's right behind Rudy's off Carlisle. They can process certificate requests Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. But keep in mind that tickets are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, if you live elsewhere in New Mexico, we will include a link where you can search your nearest office in the description below. Just a heads up, New Mexico birth certificates are restricted access records, which means that these records are only available to the registrant's immediate family, or those who show proof of legal interest in the requested record. Now let's talk about out-of-state birth certificates. The process should be very similar, but as we all know, every state is a little different. We will include a CDC link in the description below, where you can click on the state and it will help you find out where to obtain your certificate. There you will be able to see the cost, instructions, and addresses. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or leave a comment. We will be more than happy to help you. And if this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release other videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Desiree with MVD Now. See you in the next one.